Hello. I come across people who would like to take one pill so they can end all their difficulties in life. They are looking for the fast and easy way to make all their pains, discomfort, illnesses, or problems to disappear and to forget about everything. They are actually afraid of their past, suffering, pain. They are afraid of illness. But they are most afraid of facing themselves and their dark side. But if they could see themselves inside, their energy, then they would see that they are very bright, that their center and core is the primordial, pure energy of love and light. They should not be afraid of their dark side. That primordially pure and bright human energy is not only concentrated in the center of the human physical body. It crosses those lines, expands further, and together with the physical human body, organs, with chemical and biological processes in the human body, and other subtle bodies, also under the influence of energy from the planet Earth and from the universe, creates the aura, the electromagnetic field of human. Aura has its own walls and protects a person's essential energy. There are other energies of different density and frequencies in the aura, in the human body. These energies are of different types and origins. They can be other people's energies, and they can be a person's own emotions and thoughts. Very often, they create a disturbance in the flow of energy through the body. And now I will concentrate only on the human emotions. All unprocessed emotions from life a person keeps in his body, in his energy, in his aura. In 90% of cases, these are negative feelings, but they can also be strong positive feelings that people trap in their body. When an emotion is trapped in the body, it creates a blockage in the flow of energy in the energy channels. This is what it looks like. In the first image, we have energy channel, and this is an unprocessed emotion. This would be shortly after some event, so there are no disturbance and energy is passing. The second image shows that the emotion becomes denser and heavier because it has not been released. It enters deeper into the body and begins to affect the flow of energy. The energy still passes, but with some interference. In the third part, the emotions become even denser and heavier. It goes deeper into the body. The flow of energy is disturbed. Organs that receive energy from this channel still have an influx of energy, but the energy is not strong and sufficient. Organs will work sluggishly. Unpleasant feeling will show up in the body. In the fourth picture image, we can see that the emotion has become very heavy and dense. The channel is completely blocked, and the energy, you can see here, the energy is not, energy no longer passes. We come to the situation where a certain organ or a part of body which is supplied with energy from this channel remains completely without the necessary energy. And nothing can function without energy, neither an engine without fuel, nor a plant without solar energy. Those organs will try to perform their function, and therefore spasm or pain or similar symptoms will occur. So, the wonderful perfect human body gives signs and signals all the time, indicates internal disharmony and blockages of energy. Signs and signals are pain, spasm, inflammation, fever, constipation, diarrhea, for example, and all other physical symptoms. In this way, the human body sends a lot of information and informs that the time has come to get rid of those emotions in order to restore the flow of energy to a healthy original state and harmony. But in most cases, people keep those emotions and identify with them and then with their illnesses. How to know if you have trapped emotion in your body? If 20 minutes after an event you are still thinking or talking about it, then the emotion remains in your body. How will you know if you have trapped emotion in your body from the past? When you think of an event or a person and you still have strong and vivid feelings as if it happened yesterday, then you must have trapped emotions. So, how do you heal? How to get rid of heavy unprocessed emotions trapped in the body? Healing, releasing difficult emotions is definitely less painful than healing an illness. It is important to get rid of them in time before they get deeper into the body, before they create a disturbance in the physical body. There are many techniques that identify trapped emotions in the body and help person release them in the easiest way. The most important thing is to acknowledge the emotion, understand the lesson, understand why something happened. After that, the physical body will relax, then the emotional body, and the trapped emotion will be easily released. A healthy flow of energy in the body will be established and regeneration begins. And the human body knows how to perform it perfectly if there are no distractions, of course. I hope that all this has helped many of you to understand that the responsibility for your body and your lives lies within you, that the human has a power of absolute energy of light in him, an enormous free will to decide for his own life. If you have any question, please contact me via the email I provided below. See you soon with more advices.